How can you take a video on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So, of course, the Apple Watch doesn't have any kind of like camera built in on the body of the watch actual, right? So it's not like you can utilize that, but you have the camera remote control for the iPhone, which will open up the actual camera, and you can snap photo or enable the flash or live photos, so you have some controls, but seemingly you cannot just start taking a video. And the reason or the way that it works is that you need to at first switch to the video mode on the iPhone, not on the watch directly. Once you switch to the video mode, you will be able to use the watch as the remote, so all of the controls are going to be available. You can start the video, pause it, then stop it, right? So it works, it gets the job done, and it will like save the video regularly on the iPhone, but it's not like it's gonna work without the touching of the iPhone at all, because at first you have to switch to the video mode on the phone, and then it will be controllable from the Apple Watch. So that is what I wanted to show you in this video. It's pretty much just that. As I said, no camera on the body of the watch, so that is the only way you can do this. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.